Welcome everyone to my channel. Welcome my channel. How you guys doing? Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're newbie, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will know when my next video is going to be coming up. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make African black soap shampoo for your hair. The reason why I'm saying African black soap shampoo is because it has a lot of benefit for your hair. Just because me as well, I've got like a hair that is always breaking. So that is why I'm teaching you what to do to your hair that will prevent it from breaking, that will give you strong roots. So for my shampoo, I'm going to be using African black soap. This is African black soap. It can be purchased from Amazon or eBay. Know that I have the light African black soap. You can choose to use any black soap of your choice. So this black soap, the reason why I'm using black soap is because it has antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory property, which is very good for your hair. So all this property that it's got is really good for your hair, so that it will prevent breaking to your hair, and it will make your roots very strong and take away things and all the bacteria or antifungal that is preventing the root of your hair from breaking. That's why we are making use of black soap. And in our shampoo as well, we are going to add sunflower oil. Sunflower oil as well give your hair the strength it needs, and it's good for your hair follicle to grow very healthy. And I'm going to add lavender oil as well. As you know, lavender oil is got a lot of benefits for body and hair. For lavender oil as well, the what it does for the hair is because it takes away every anti-dandruff on your hair. So every anti-dandruff for your hair, lavender is really good for it. So it's good for your hair as well. We are going to be adding it onto our black soap shampoo as well. And I've got me and my olive oil. You can choose to use the extra virgin olive oil or use normal olive oil. Olive oil moisturizes the hair and it prevents it from breaking. We are going to add that to our African black soap shampoo as well. And I'm going to add in a few drops of my lemongrass oil. My lemongrass oil, what it does to the hair as well is it strengthens the hair. It makes the hair grow. So all of this I'm going to add onto my shampoo. So just continue to wash now, and you're going to see the... First, I will be putting my water in my cup. That's my black soap. That is my black soap I'm going to be adding to my cup. That's African black soap. I will put as much as I need inside my cup. You can choose to have a little bit or more, depending on the quantity depending on the quantity of shampoo you are making. So that's how much I've added into my cup. And later I'm going to be putting warm water. The water I'm using is not like very boiled. It's like hot, but not too like boil, like properly 100% boil. I've let it cool down a bit and I've poured it into my cup at this moment, and I'm just gonna let it, that's it, I'm gonna let it melt my black soap. I'm just gonna take time for it to melt. When it's melted, I'm gonna add in my oil. That is my olive oil. I'm gonna add in about 1 tablespoon of olive oil onto my melted African black soap. I'm just adding it now onto my African black soap shampoo. So it's added onto my shampoo right now. So after that, I'm gonna add in my other kind of oil, because I'm using like three or four kind of oil. That's my lavender oil. So I'm adding in my lavender oil to my African black soap method shampoo now. The lavender oil is really good for it, keep off dandruff away from your hair. That is lavender oil. That's the one you want to buy, the organic one. There are different ones, but just buy the organic lavender oil. So I'm just going to put it into my melted African black soap shampoo now. I'm gonna put in about 5 or 6 drops there, and it's gonna be added onto my shampoo. The next I'm gonna be adding is lemongrass oil. Lemongrass oil is really good for hair. It straightens the hair, it makes the hair thick, and it promotes hair growth. So I'm gonna be adding like about 5 drop of lemongrass oil onto my melted shampoo. That one is finished. I'm sorry about that. I'm just gonna get in another one that I know, because that bottle is finished. Just a little bottle. I use it a lot for my hair because I've got breaking hair, you see. So I've got another bottle now to put into it. I'm gonna be adding about 5 drop of lavender or of lemongrass oil onto my melted shampoo, and that's it over there. And the next oil I'm gonna be putting is sunflower oil. It's really good for your hair as well. It's good for the hair, it makes the hair grow, it strengthens the hair as well, promote hair growth. I cannot even overemphasize on what this hair does, and it's really light. So I'm going to be putting in 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil onto my melted African soap shampoo. All this oil I'm using onto my African black soap shampoo is really good for your hair. And I'm not just going to use just my African black soap. I'm adding all this oil just because they are just of an important benefits to your hair. All of them promote hair growth, makes the hair thick, promotes hair growth, moisturizes the hair, and that's it. So just so that you know that because I put in a lot of oil onto my African black soap doesn't mean that it's not gonna be soapy. That's why I'm showing you that it's still gonna be very soapy. So even though you've added a lot of oil to it, it's still gonna be like it's gonna foam a lot, just like normal shampoo. And I'm just pouring it into my bottle now because I'm gonna be using that's what I'm gonna be using for my hair for a while. So I'm gonna be storing it away. So I'm gonna be putting it into my bottle. You can choose to make yours into a bigger bottle, and you can have it for a long time. It's really good for the hair. That's what I'm saying. So because you've added oil doesn't mean your African black soap is not gonna foam. So it's just foamy. So at this point I'm gonna use it to wash my hair. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and turn on the bell button to be notified of my next video.